Hey friends, if you wish to fix maximized window, blank, empty space on top of screen etc. on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So first of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to system on the list on the left hand side, select display. Now there are two options here, which one is scale and one is display resolution. Make sure both are set at the recommended value, whatever the recommended value is, because if that is not the case, there will be inconsistencies on the screen and that will cause a problem. The next one is that if you're playing a game or some heavy graphic intensive application, just close it for the time being. Your system might not be able to take it. In that case, you would need a more powerful graphics card. After that, you can go to Windows Update on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Now, once this is sorted, you can search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now, expand the list for network adapters, right click on the MediaTek one and update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.